It's time to wake up and smell the future of sim racing in 2023. Today, we're diving into the Cammus C5, a game-changing direct drive wheel priced at just $249, C5 and desk clamp at $279, and C5 with desk clamp and CP5 pedal, the whole set at just $329. We'll explore who should invest in this cutting-edge technology and why it's poised to become the new go-to beginner wheel for sim racing enthusiasts. Hey guys, welcome to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity Technology. And before moving ahead, do subscribe and hit the bell icon for regular updates. The Cammus C5 arrives as an all-in-one package, housing both the motor and the steering wheel within a single unit. When you purchase the C5, you'll also receive a table clamp for mounting the motor to your desk, all for the incredibly competitive price of $329. This pricing makes it an attractive alternative to the current best-selling beginner wheel on the market. What sets the Cammus C5 apart is its direct drive technology. It offers a seamless transmission resulting in faster rotation return speeds and a gearless transfer of driving forces. This not only provides a smoother overall driving experience, but does so with minimal noise. Unlike other wheels, there are no fans or belts, ensuring almost complete silence during those late-night racing sessions. The Cammus C5 impresses with its quality build and design. The steering wheel's rim is wrapped in a comfortable fake leather that feels great even without gloves. Buttons on the wheel are responsive and abundant, delivering a satisfying click. The included table clamp is a standout feature, offering versatility in mounting options and angles. Its minimalistic design and robust construction make it a near-perfect addition to your racing setup. While the Cammus C5 bundle includes pedals, it's worth noting that they are basic in functionality. They consist of two identical spring-loaded pedal arms, a thin pedal mounting plate, and two Hall sensors to measure pedal distance. Customization options are limited, and pedal travel and stiffness are modest. These pedals may suffice for beginners, but can be swapped out for a higher quality option for more serious racers. The Cammus C5's direct drive wheelbase delivers 5 Newton-meters of force, providing enough feedback for beginners to grasp the nuances of their virtual vehicles. Its fast return speed makes it ideal for activities like drifting and rallying. While the software and calibration options are minimal, they are more than adequate for the 5Nm wheel. The slight friction sensation during rotation becomes negligible once you're on the track. In conclusion, the Cammus C5 is positioned to be the go-to beginner wheel for sim racing in 2023. Its direct drive technology, competitive pricing, and overall performance make it an enticing choice. Whether you're a seasoned racer or a parent looking for an impressive gift, the Cammus C5 offers a glimpse into the future of sim racing. So, get ready to elevate your virtual racing experience in 2023 with the Cammus C5. So, this was all about the video. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and give your reviews in the comments section. This is Enoylity Technology, and we will see you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.